Everybody prayed. Yeah. A man of many talents. So, yeah, so just give me a little break when I come back. I'll definitely have a shop to fire. Right. We got no phone. Right. We got no back. Right. We got no phone. We also got sweet here. But in the diaper. Alright, explain how the game go? You want to explain how the game go?
The S. The 7. Alright. Listen me now. This is a kick.
Okay.
This is a drop. This is a 10. This is a 10. Right here. This is 10 and diamond.
Okay.
So what is the one here?
We'll come back with you so I want somebody to play.
Try and drop.
I'll come back right now.
Share the live, share the live. We're making our way around to the different booths to show you guys what's happening out here. And then we go back to the party.
We'll make the lady explain to what else she has.
Well, most of the things then done. They call it nice, done. Because I put it done. But we still have nachos, and dips. We still have milk cake. This milk cake is only $13. We still have some leaf party bag packet. This is only fine. We have some nice rice and beans and baked chicken with salad. We have cohoon cabbage, PG style. And then we have stew beans, white rice. The pigtail done. Well, this style of Miss Abigail. And then we do this in the 3rd year now. Yes.
Well, we'll come back with you and then
so you could support and buy one for your baby when you care home. Well, you buy that? Well, he could buy for his baby now. A big baby or a small baby. Alright, thanks babe. Sure, at the wait for you know. I know your face.
Yes. I don't like the politicians. I'll make my promise, but I'll come back. Yes. Alright. Exactly. Yeah. What do you want to pick up the graveyard? What the graveyard team, the man?
Well, good evening.
Correct.
Well, I'll be honest, we'll lose this game now.
Yeah.
3-0.
Yeah. But nonetheless, this Sunday it will be the Mayor's Cup. And you guys,
oh yes,
guys.
Well, I'll be honest.
Graveyard,
we are the best team right now, you know. Right? They got a couple of years where we lose so much, but now we come better now, right? Graveyard Bombers committed to develop young youths and help them to strive for excellence in all they do.
Yeah.
We believe sports brings young people together and most importantly prevent crime and violence in our country, our communities. Right? You don't worry about the sport, we'll deal with discipline, we'll bring youths together, right?
Yeah. Correct.
Big up all of the dogs there for Pomona stay away.
Yeah. Come on. Guys, I don't want to say anything. I shouldn't want to say anything, Sean.
Actually, I just want to big up to the sponsor out there, you know.
Yeah.
Calimera Beach Hotel. Big up to the one, right?
Yeah.
Without you never made it possible, man. Big up.
Exactly.
Big up Calimera.
All right. Yes, man. Yeah.
That was a talk from Graveyard players. They'll be live inside Mayor's Cup on April 24th.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm here to share your barbecue to the world. How about a nice barbecue?
Oh, yes, boy, nice, man. Come and get your fresh barbecue.
Right.
Send me the story girl for morning, right?
All right.
You come around knife for me and
Yes,
I say, I hope you're not going to kill nobody with knife, but I said I want fair. We enjoy ourselves.
Thank you very much. I know you're the world because more violence all over the country. I just need to push. I just need to cut up some rope and hang up the banana, right? Yeah. So how long you the barbecue?
Well, I did that for I know myself.
My creation. All right. Thanks very much, then.
Yes, sir.
All right.
This is what is happening.
This is Sittee River Day. It's a Monday, the last of the Easter event. If you go call it that, if you still want to do something after this, it's on you. But tomorrow is back to work as usual. But so if you're in the Dangrega, Upland, Sittee River, Silvergrass area, this is the place to be. Because it's start right. And about the football games, we're at our third game. We have 12 teams that sign up. So this is the third game. So it's a single round elimination. So after one, after you lose, then you are out. So I guess the other 6 teams will advance, and then we'll give you highlights as to what or what is going on.
This one now, before I leave, right? Gotta come back later. But that's the one. Big up Sittee River. Big up everybody who come out today, right? But this one now, brand new. This one up in 2025, and I look out for this one now. Big up all the party over there, right? You go like this. All the girl got borrow alone. Gaga borrow alone. I tell her, all the girl got borrow alone. Say a young boy. Oh Lord, all the girl got borrow alone. I tell her, gaga borrow alone. All the girl got borrow alone. Big young boy. Listen, yo, she no want no man with bike. No want me happy hitchhike. Say me are a superstar. She don't run down buy me a car. Me can tell her no something. Me no shame on me old yeah. Party and over. Me say, party and over. Yeah, party and over. Oh, girl, wine been and turn over. So me a put on the ding ding. Oh, I'm a put on the ding ding. Pana, pana, put on the ding ding. She make me feel put on the ding ding. Pana, sing. Oh, girl, girl, borrow low. And I tell you, girl, girl, borrow low. Oh, girl, girl, borrow low. Sing a young boy. Oh, Lord. Oh, girl, girl, borrow low. And I tell you, girl, girl, borrow low. Oh, girl, girl, borrow low. Run the thing, yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Coconut Boy. Yeah, we have to give it up for Coconut Boy. Alright, let's give it up for Coconut Boy. I saw the thing go Sittee River with it. Large jump Coconut Boy. And again, we are still celebrating in memory of Consigo. Alright, the man who coined the song Bueno. Alright, he loved that. Every time he sing, he would do that. And these artists here definitely will be singing some of his songs for us, right? Lava 91.7 Daifa. Delton Ashford here, we need to take care of some bills. Alright, so let's call on our platinum sponsors as we pick them up so that they can't say, well, they never hear the name. Alright, we have them locked right here. And once they'll turn the boat, I want to say until people get enough of it. Alright, and then they can come on, so I love it. It says that the platinum sponsors include Sittee River Village Water Board, Hamanase, Niche, Silk Grass Farm, Joe Adner Macasas, Southern Homes, Belize. We also have Bellikin, your premier drink, right? Somehow. You know what I mean. Sittee River Village Council, Ramirez Construction, Honorable Rodwell Ferguson. Those are our platinum sponsors. Our silver sponsors include Paul Colella, Scott and Karina Holland, Hopkins Equipment Rental, Angela Kelvin, and Ryder McDougall Sr. alongside the chairman of Sinbad, Jose Alaman. Our diamond sponsors include Beaches and Dreams, Gary Meyer. Those are our diamond sponsors. Gold sponsors include Julie Fox, Kenny Reinheimer, Parrot Cove, and Jaguar Reef Lodge. Yeah. Alright, we have one time, Levi.
Yes, Reno, there. Sittee River, how are you feeling?
I hope the extra morning is sleep.
Alright, so yeah, what go on? We have started off the party now. So on the need to go closer. Give me a new rhythm, let's read, please. Give me a new rhythm. Yes! Put that front. Reno, who them?
We don't beat up for the lineup now. You know, the colors are here, Taz. We don't have a song for them. So if you have to hear, well, we don't want you. You have to go way back. we are really come again with the one. Yeah. But what you there? You need to call this girl. Yeah. When up, sweet pain, baby. Mira, shout out. The ancient Timo, Uncle, yeah, Elstar. D-boys, metal. Culture jams, metal, culture jams. DJ Hype, DJ Botobi, the man metal. Bueno, DJ Ashley. Every man beat drum. And voodoo, when I beat, yeah. Right, keyboard? Rest in peace, Consigo. Bueno. Everyone here at City River, pick up yourself, Mr. Chairman. You're going up again for 2025 and 2028, 2028. Anybody want to go over the show to the middle and know about hospital? You're going to hire himself, right? Yeah. Vida is up next. Powered by Altitude Pro. Exclusive sound, Mach 90. Pick them up. Vida, ladies and gentlemen, Vida Magdaleno, the Yatamita King. Let's see that. What is Vida? We got Sweet Beard Man 3.0. Zaba. Think some good, Samara. Yeah. Vida, you know the thing. 1, 2, 3,